Hi students, now discuss about lymphoid organs. Lymphoid organs for proliferation, maturation of lymphocytes. Proliferation means rapid increase. In short period of time, increases much amount of the cells. Proliferation, maturation of the lymphocytes. These are organs for and produce lymphocytes. Lymphoid organs produce lymphocytes, student. And based on the function, these are the lymphoid organs are two types. Based on the function, it is important, student. It's the primary lymphoid organs. What about the primary lymphoid organs? Primary lymphoid organs are bone marrow, thymus gland, and bursa fabriceus in birds. These three are primary lymphoid organs. Lymphoid organs that plays main role in the immune system. Okay, these are produces lymphocytes which are participates in humoral immunity and cell mediated immunity in human body. Bone marrow, thymus gland, bursa fabriceus in birds. These are the primary lymphoid organs. Next, lymphocytes become mature in these primary lymphoid organs. Lymphocytes becomes into mature and shows sensitivity to antigen. These are the lymphocytes, students, shows the sensitivity against the antigen. Next, what about the bone marrow, student? Bone marrow that is a spongy tissue present in the inner part of the bone that consists of stem cells. These are the stem cells produce different types of the blood cells by the process of hematopoiesis. Okay, it is the site of blood cell production. B lymphocytes goes to mature in the region of the bone marrow. B lymphocytes goes to mature. Next, thymus. What about the thymus, student? This is the thymus. T lymphocytes becomes into fully functional. In the thymus, T lymphocytes becomes into fully functional. Okay, and these are the T lymphocytes produce cell mediated immunity. By the cell mediated immunity, these are the T lymphocytes destroys infected cells in the body. Okay, next, student, secondary lymphoid organs. What about the secondary lymphoid organs? Secondary lymphoid organs are lymph nodes. Students, lymph nodes are these solid structures present in some regions of body. Spleen, student, secondary lymphoid organ. Malt, mucosa associated lymphoid tissue. Next, tonsils. Tonsils are present in pharynx. These are three types: pharyngeal tonsils, palatine tonsils, lingual tonsils. Okay, consist lymphoid tissue. Pairs patches of small intestine. Students, if you observe the lining of the small intestine, that consists lymphoid tissue which gives protection from the microorganisms. Small intestine is protected from the pairs patches against the microorganisms. Pairs patches gives protection from the microorganisms. Okay, the region of the small intestine is protected from the microorganisms by the help of the Peyer's patches. Next, appendix. Appendix is the vermiform structure. It is arises from the rectum. Okay, and this is the appendix is also called abdominal tonsil. Okay, it consists lymphoid tissue. Next, students, lymphocytes undergo differentiation in the secondary lymphoid organs and in response to specific antigens. In response to specific antigens in the secondary lymphoid organs, these are the lymphocytes are goes to the differentiation, and the lymphocytes are interacts with the antigens in these secondary lymphoid organs. In the region of the secondary lymphoid organs, lymphocytes are interact with the antigens. Okay, student, what about the spleen? Spleen is the secondary lymphoid organ. It is the bean-shaped structure locates at the upper left part of the abdomen under diaphragm. Okay, diaphragm that divides the body cavity into two parts, upper thoracic cavity and the inner abdominal cavity. Okay, under the diaphragm, it is located under the diaphragm and upper left part of the abdomen. And a spleen that consists lymphocytes and the phagocytes, and it is functionally with filter the blood, traps the microorganisms, and it is the reservoir for red blood cells and graveyard of RBC, also called old worn out RBC, graveyard of old worn out RBC, and burial ground for RBC. Next, lymph nodes, student. What about the lymph nodes? Lymph nodes are small solid structures and present in some regions of the lymphatic system, and these are the lymph nodes, so traps the antigens. Okay, next, student, malt. What about the malt? Malt, mucosa associated lymphoid tissue, student. Malt means, and locates within lining of the respiratory tract. Okay, student, and gastrointestinal tract. Next, and the urinogenital tract. Urinogenital tract means urinary tract, and additionally with reproductive tract. Tract means tube-like arrangements present in respiratory system and digestive system and urinary system, reproductive system. Okay, and the lining of these systems consists lymphoid tissue called mucosa associated lymphoid tissue. It's consists approximately about 50% of the lymphoid tissue in the human body. Student, this is about lymphoid organs.